What's up, guys and girls? I mean, let's be real. How many girls are actually watching this video? Probably none. Probably ever. Whatever. So, it's been a while since the last time I posted a video. And that was for many reasons, but mainly because I have trying to figure out what I want to do with the channel, how I want to approach things, and it's been a little hard trying to make content just for art. It's not that it's not fun to me to make art. It's just I don't feel like I am skilled enough to make like how-to videos and stuff like that. And also, I'm not a one-trick pony. I like other things besides art, besides drawing, and I think I want to incorporate that into the channel. So not just make it about art, like drifting and car culture in general. So with that being said, over the weekend, I'm not gonna date this video because I probably took me a while to make. Over the weekend, I went to a drift event in Jupiter. It was the West Palm Beach International Raceway. Sure, yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah, pretty sure. So yeah, that was so much fun. I did not get to drift. They do have drift rentals there, but the opportunity didn't arise for me to have the funds available for something like that. But it's really cool. I took a lot of footage. I actually have I had enough footage to make like a little montage of the event, which I'm going to play after this. It's pretty much going to be the bread and butter of this video. So if you want to just like not hear me talk, just go straight to whatever that timestamp is somewhere here if I figure out how to do that. So yeah, so that's kind of what I'm going to be moving towards in the direction with the channel. Yes, there's still going to be art related things, as far as my work, and also there's going to be I'm going to try and go to car events in the area, as well as drift events. The next drift event is actually in December, so it's going to be a while before I get another opportunity to film some drift events. But I did buy a new toy. Unfortunately not a drift car. That would have been awesome, but I got a drone, a semi-working drone. It needs some work. I gotta change a couple things here. The gimbal's messed up, things like that. But my goal is to, by the next drift event, to have the drone ready to shoot. It's a 1080p drone, but since the gimbal's messed up and it's all integrated, I might just buy the 4K camera that attaches to it, and that's like $200. It's not terrible, especially when you consider like the cost of a GoPro. So yeah, so have that set up for the next event, and also get a better lens for my main camera, which is a Canon SL2. I have the kit lens on it. It's not terrible, but it's not the best in low light. So I'm gonna try and get a camera with a wider angle lens. I'm not camera savvy. I'm sorry. And also, from my understanding, I need something that has a better f-stop. So like this camera is I think it's like the lowest it goes is 4, something like that. And so I'm gonna try and get a camera that's like a 1.8 f-stop with like a 30mm lens. Yeah. So that'll be really cool, nice format for shooting drift events. Maybe, I don't know. It's gonna be a test because I don't know much about cameras. This is all a learning process. But yeah, so enough of me jibber jabbering. I'm gonna go ahead and play the video now. by the way, almost forgot. Huge shout out to Perry. That's the kid who drives the chaser that I had in this video. Really cool kid. I say kid because he looked really young. I'm not sure how old he really is. He could be older than me. Who knows? But yeah, cool guy. Him and his friend both brought out a chaser. The purple one back there, yeah, and then a green one. I've never seen a chaser before. Only in videos and in my wet dreams. So that was a real nice, reality check. It made me really rethink life and what I'm doing with mines. Why don't I own a chaser? So yeah, huge shout out to him. Cool guy. Let me take some shots and he talked to me about his car. Super cool. Definitely hope to see him again in the next drift event. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. It was really fun taking the footage, making the video. So much fun. Like, I could definitely see myself making a lot more videos like that. That was definitely a good time. It didn't feel that long either. It only took me a couple hours to actually make that, compared to like the first video I made that it felt like it took me a week or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. I don't know. Just so you know though, I am still going to post an update video, kind of like on that desk that I was building from before. It's done. It's not clean right now, so I don't want to show it. And also I'm going to be reviewing this iPad Pro that I bought. I got the iPad Pro right before the new one was announced. I was too impatient. So it's not the new iPad Pro, but it's okay. I mean, the only thing that it has that really irks me is the Type-C. If I would have waited, that would have been so awesome. But whatever, it's no biggie. The iPad Pro that I have is freaking amazing, and I will be dropping a review on that shortly. I'm gonna try and do maybe 2 videos a week. I doubt I'll be able to do that, but that's the goal. The goal is to achieve, but failing is okay. So thanks guys, see you later.